Hey guys, it's Denson DIY It All, and today
we're going to show you what we use to get the best visibility in all weather conditions, but especially the rain. Be sure to stick around to the end to see one of our favorite tips when using this product. RainX has been around for years, and we use it on all our vehicles. We don't just use it on the windshield. We use it on all exterior surfaces of the windows on each vehicle. It adds a huge benefit of having essentially a layer of wax and having the water run off in any rain situations, increasing visibility. The key, however, is to make sure that you put it on in overlapping patterns to get a total surface coverage. And while we like to apply it, as the instructions say, with a paper towel, we like to remove it with a cotton towel. We find that buffs better and leaves better results for clarity and application. Please note we're not sponsored in any way. This is just something that we over the years have used and really enjoyed and added to the safety of our vehicle. For more fun, be sure to check out all the Dad and Son channels or start with the video right here. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did,
please consider liking and subscribing.
Thanks a lot. Take care.
Have a great day.